Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari 488 versus the S1000RR. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two incredible machines, one a powerful car and the other a nimble motorcycle. Understanding their distinct categories is key to appreciating their unique strengths and what each offers to enthusiasts. Let's dive into what makes each vehicle special. When it comes to raw power, both machines deliver exhilarating performance. The Ferrari 488, a four-wheeled marvel, offers incredible acceleration and top speeds, designed for track dominance and road presence. The S1000RR, a two-wheeled rocket, provides an unmatched power-to-weight ratio, making it incredibly agile and quick. Each is engineered for extreme speed and precision, but in very different ways. The experience behind the wheel of a Ferrari 488 is one of refined power and sophisticated control, with advanced aerodynamics and a comfortable cabin. Conversely, riding the S1000RR is a direct, unfiltered connection to the road, demanding active rider input for every turn and acceleration. The handling characteristics are fundamentally distinct, reflecting their design as a car versus a motorcycle, each offering its own thrill. Considering practicality, the Ferrari 488 offers a degree of comfort and luggage space, making it suitable for weekend trips or spirited drives. The S1000RR, however, is primarily designed for performance and track days, with minimal storage and a more aggressive riding posture. Their intended purposes diverge significantly, catering to different desires for speed, luxury, and the pure joy of driving or riding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.